Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So today we will be installing VirtualBox into the system. So first you have to type VirtualBox. Now you will get the first link. Click on the first link. Once you click on the link, you will get this screen. Click on this download VirtualBox 6.1. Okay, so as I am using a Windows operating system, so I'll click on this with Windows host. And if you are using a Mac or a Linux operating system, so click on the options as you require. So I'll click on Windows host. So it will ask me to save the exe file. I'll save the exe file. So the file is completely downloaded. We'll click on the exe file. Now you'll get this screen for Oracle VM VirtualBox. Just click on next. Leave it as it is. Click on install. Now click on yes. Okay, now click on finish. So after you click on finish, it will open the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager where you can add or import and export a operating system, any operating system, a Windows or a Linux, any operating system you can import and export. So I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.